In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Kanban in ClickUp to manage your tasks visually and stay organized without feeling overwhelmed. Kanban is perfect for tracking progress, improving workflow, and keeping your projects moving smoothly. Whether you're new to ClickUp or just want a better way to manage tasks, this setup is quick and beginner-friendly. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more ClickUp and productivity tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, sign into your ClickUp account using your browser. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main ClickUp dashboard, where all your spaces and workspaces live. From here, click on New Space. Creating a new space helps you keep your Kanban board organized and separated from other projects. After clicking New Space, look for the option that says Use Templates and click on it. ClickUp has a large library of ready-made templates, and this makes setting up Kanban much faster. In the template search bar, type Kanban, then select the Kanban template from the results. This template is designed specifically for visual task management, with columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Once you've selected the Kanban template, click on Use Template. ClickUp will now ask you where you want this Kanban space to live. Choose the location that makes the most sense for your workflow, whether that's a specific workspace or folder. After selecting your location, click Use Template again to confirm. ClickUp will now automatically create your Kanban board with all of the default columns and settings ready to go. From here, you can start adding tasks, moving them across columns, and customizing statuses to match your process. And that's it. You've successfully set up and started using Kanban in ClickUp. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy ClickUp tutorials and productivity tips.